Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing a hashtag Chappy 7 shoutout challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below.
Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, with me as always is Mookie. This is my shoutout challenge week, so check the description below for the rules if you want to partake in my shoutout challenge. This episode, I'm going to do a special shoutout to Miss Coco Unique Mitchell. The name of the channel is Coco Unique Mitchell. She has a great channel. Now she's from St. Louis, so for Appies with Chappy by the lake, I'm going to do some toasted St. Louis style ravioli for my appetizer, and I'm going to make a drink in her honor. So make sure you subscribe to Coco Unique Mitchell. She has a great channel. She does lifestyle, interior decorating, home style cooking, traveling, makeup, fashion, gardening, outside decorating, product reviews, organizing, decluttering, live chats, girl chats, hacks, DIYs, and much, much more. So make sure you go to her channel. So I'm going to make a drink in her honor. We're going to let Mookie go. I caught Mookie on the catch and release program. So go, be free, Mookie. All right, so I call this drink what are we going to call it? A Unique Coco Colada. All right, so I got my cocktail shaker, a little bit of ice. I know Coco likes tequila, but I have rum today. So that's 1 ounce of white rum, and we'll do 1 ounce of pineapple rum. The cocoa part comes in, the creme de cacao. I have white creme de cacao. It has a chocolate flavor, so coconut and chocolate, you know that's going to be good. Cream of coconut. And we're going to go 2 ounces of coconut water, 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Give it a shot of lime. We'll give it a shaky. And then I have a nice garnish with some pineapple and maraschino cherry. And that is my Unique Coco Colada. So coming up, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm going to make some St. Louis style toasted ravioli. Here's to you, Coco. Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So as I promised, I made some toasted ravioli St. Louis style. So see here how I made them. All right, so these look fabulous. We need a drink. It's a nice Italian appetizer, so I got a nice Italian Chianti. This is Rufino Chianti Classico 2015. So it's I like the dryness of Chiantis. So pour a little bit of that. Little vino, little ravioli. Got the lake. All right. Cheers, that's for you, Ms. Mitchell. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. All right, thanks for everybody that's participating in the challenge, and we'll see you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.